Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today Google released Android 17 QPR1 Beta 6 that I have here on my 10 Pro XL to show you all the new changes. So without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the update size and build number, here on the 10 Pro XL, the update size is 590 megabytes and the build number is CP31.260.618.005. And now let's take a look at the new features. The first change is the redesigned home screen overlay menu. It looks totally different, and here is a side-by-side comparison with the previous version. The menu is a lot shorter than before. The items are no longer separated. It's a one-sheet design. Plus, the wallpaper and the style option is now showing on top, which in my opinion doesn't make sense. I hope if Google can revert back to the same placement as before, as it looks better. Plus, the most recent wallpapers are using totally different shapes. Also, the text sign is a lot bigger with the newer version. And here is how both animate when you select a different wallpaper. Moving to the quick settings, we got some visual tweaks, and the first one is in the internet tile, and here's a side-by-side comparison with the previous version. You'll notice here that the loading bar is now thicker with Beta 6. The second change is how the multiplayer media controls behave. Previously, when you go to the second player in the list and then hit the play button, as you see, it automatically reorders the cards, and now the currently playing one jumps to the first position, which is a little bit confusing, but currently the order remains the same. So for example, when I hit the play button, I still have the video in the second spot, and when I go to the first spot and hit the play button, it remains the same, which in my opinion makes a lot more sense. In the recent apps screen, Google removed the drop-down arrow next to the app name with Beta 5, but it made its way back again with Beta 6, so it's probably a bug that has been fixed with this update. Before jumping to the next chapter, if you like the wallpapers you've seen in this video, you can find them in the Wallpapers by In-Depth Tech Reviews app. I recently added more than 40 new wallpapers to the collection, and I used many of them throughout the video to show you how they look in real life. All of them will make your smartphone look stunning. So if you want to give it a try, go ahead and download the app using the Google Play Store link in the description. And now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about all the new changes under settings. The first one is the redesigned icon. If you have it on your home screen, it looks exactly the same as before. But once you start to drag it, it changes to the new design, and here is how it looks in this screen recording. Once I release my finger, it goes back to normal, but when I drag it, it changes to the new design. So it seems like we have a bug that doesn't allow the icon to remain the same, and it looks very similar to the one we have on the Pixel Watch. You will see the same change in the settings app splash screen, and here is how it looks. You see a new blue color and a new design as well. Moving to the settings app itself, when you go to the apps menu and then open Google app, then go to storage and cache, you will see a brand new item here called the media picker. In my case, it says 12 items with the ability to clear access. When I do the same steps on Beta 5, I don't see this media picker, so I'm not sure why it exists. Plus, I tried to open the same page in multiple apps and none of them got this new media picker item. So I'm not sure if it's something related to the app itself or it's a system change. Let me also tap on the clear access button to see what's going to happen. As you see, everything is now gone. Under sound and vibration and then vibration and haptics, for some reason we are back again to the same keyboard vibration toggle, and instead of having the slider that allows you to adjust the keyboard vibration intensity, so maybe it's a bug and we will see it back again in the future. Under security and privacy and then privacy controls, when you go to Health Connect and then devices, then tap on the device name, you will see more toggles added to the list. Previously, we used to have the steps only, but now we got active calories burned and distance. And lastly, under storage, when you scroll all the way down, Google renamed Android Cinnamon Bun to Android 17. Unfortunately, these are all the new features we got with this update, and now let's talk about the bug fixes. As per the release notes, we have a fix for an issue where users were unable to select multiple spell checker languages. Pressing the device volume button within the clock app failed to trigger the expected user interface actions. Rapidly swiping through the media carousel caused visual glitches in the quick settings layout and settings icon by improving animation and layout state handling during rapid transitions, an issue in the window manager global that resulted in app crashes, and finally enabling the Wi-Fi hotspot displayed a generic default SSID instead of the user's saved custom. Now let's talk about some bug fixes that I really hope Google will fix in the next update. Some of them are very old while others are related to Android 17 QPR1. The first bug I face every day is sometimes the keyboard fails to show when I swipe up to access the app list. It only happens when I open an app, then go back to the home screen, then swipe up. As you see, the keyboard is not showing and I have to swipe up again to get access to the keyboard. The second one is related to the media controls. Take a look here at the buttons. They animate in a weird way when I switch between tracks. The third issue is in the split screen view. When I tap on the middle handle to reveal the arrows and make one of the apps the smallest size, it doesn't update the button to become an X, but I have to hide the arrows and then tap one more time to get the X button. Similarly, when you resize the app, it doesn't change into an arrow, but you have to hide it and then tap on it again to get the arrow. And when you do it faster, you will see here that the X still resizes the two apps, but it's supposed to close it. So this behavior needs to be fixed as well. Moving to the old bugs, one of the things that annoys me the most maybe since Android 12 is how the home tile animates when you tap on it. As you see, it flashes in white before showing or revealing the controls, which looks really bad. Also, the close animation is broken. It doesn't animate properly. So I hope Google will fix this issue as soon as possible because it's been there for a very long time. The second one is when you try to change the clock face. This page is stuck on dark theme for a very long time, even though I remember seeing it in light theme in some of the Android versions. Not to mention that there are two big features are still missing from QPR1, which are the app lock and also the ability to remove Google search widget from the home screen. And now let's talk about my experience with the performance and the stability of this build after using it for a few hours while filming the video. To me, it's as good as Beta 5, but slightly better. And by the way, I was using Beta 5 for quite some time and never had a major issue with it. Everything was working as expected, no major bugs, only minor visual issues here and there. And the most annoying thing I was facing with Beta 5 is the weird reordering of the media controls, which is now fixed with Beta 6. And when it comes to the Geekbench 6 scores, it's about the same as before. I got 5,876 for the multi-core and 2,299 for the single core, which is slightly worse than the previous version, but about the same as the previous updates. And when it comes to the GPU, I got 4,765, which is also about the same. So that's pretty much it for today. These are all the new changes I wanted to show you on Android 17 QPR1 Beta 6. Please let me know in the comments if I missed anything. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.